Unlock your creative potential with the Leinster School of Music and Drama. Our higher diploma in arts and drama education is designed for aspiring arts educators and theatre makers looking to elevate their craft. With industry experts guiding you along the way, you'll be ready for any classroom setting by graduation.
I'm a lecturer in Griffith College teaching visual storytelling and direction to undergraduates. I also teach TV studio principles and media law and ethics to young journalists. I'm also a working television producer. I work for the BBC, for RTE, for Channel 4 and most recently for Al Jazeera in the Middle East. And for this certificate, I aim to help give you the tools to teach film in a very clear and meaningful way to your students. Of course, the next generation of filmmakers are pretty adept at making films in their own right through TikTok, Instagram and other platforms. But that is really just a start. And we will spend time learning about the different stages of filmmaking, from script to screen, through the 3 stages of pre-production, production and post-production.
The certificate in the Introduction to Practical Visual Storytelling is a practical course. And at the end of the course, you will have the skills, the ability and the know-how to make short films. And you'll be taught how to do this by industry experts. Everybody who teaches on the programme has been doing this for more than 10 years. Writers, directors, producers, cinematographers and editors. And also, during your time on this programme, you will have the opportunity to use a wide array of professional industry standard cameras, audio equipment, editing facilities and an amazing broadcast standard TV studio that we have.
That learning experience, I think, will be a joy because you have a great advantage as teachers, because filmmaking is a huge amount of fun. And together we'll make it fun for you and for your students.
This is also available as a standalone Griffith College certificate, which will be delivered as blended learning and can be completed in just 12 weeks. Ideal for busy creatives and teachers who are ready to upskill on their own terms. Places are limited. Inquire today and start shaping the stories that only you can tell.